Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. Welcome to episode 14 of Geofatboy's Everyday Shave. I've been told that we've been neglecting the straight razor category, so today I will perform a shave with a straight razor. This is the Boker Shave Nation 5/8 round point straight razor. It's carbon steel, easy to sharpen, it'll hold an edge. It's an excellent razor for beginners to get started with. Maybe you've been shaving with a safety razor for a while and you're looking to make the jump to a straight razor. This is the perfect razor for you. Made in Solingen, Germany. The 5/8 round point carbon steel blade. Excellent blade for beginners. A great place to start. I'll perform a shave with this razor today. Without further ado, let's get started. You should strap your straight razor before every shave. First, perform round trips on the linen side loaded with chromium oxide, and then perform round trips on the smooth leather. Then you're ready to shave. I'm going to warm up the Shave Nation bowl under the hot water and squirt a little bit of this Parasso, it's already coming out, right into the bottom, just like that. The Parasso Omega boar bristle brush right here. A nice stiff brush. We'll soak that under the hot water. Shake out the bulk of the water. We'll go right in here. See if we can mix a lather. Just press those tips down into the lather spot. And this is a nice stiff brush, boar brush. It's great for hard soaps or shaving creams, as you can see. Mixes up a lather quickly, no problem. Just press those tips into the lather spot. Scoop the lather from around the brim, drive it back down. Keep swirling. Less than a minute. Plenty of lather for several passes. This brush also has a nice big handle to it. And it's very reasonably priced too. It's around $19, $20 in that range. Alright, plenty of lather for a few passes. I'll warm up my face, we'll get right to the shave. My face is good and warm, turning red. Dry the fingers. All right, let's grab our lather. We'll start on the right side, work our way across. Nice menthol eucalyptus scent, tingles, a definite wake-up call in the morning. Just drive it right into the beard. I did have 1 to 2 day beard growth, which is necessary, mandatory for our everyday shave. Little figure 8, smooth everything out, set the brush down. Swipe, swipe. Clear the runways. Dry the fingers for a straight razor shave. All right, here we go. Let's open it up. I'm going to start on the right side. Cut the sideburn. Work your way down. Stretch the skin. Rinse that. Right down the neckline. Stretching the skin by pulling my head upward like that. Rinse. Left side, cut the sideburn. Stretch the skin. Cleft. Rinse that. Right down the neckline. Very good. Rinse that. Now the mustache. Very good. First pass complete. A quick rinse. Grab our brush and our bowl. Lather up for a second pass. Just a light coating this time. Be great. Smooth it out. Set the brush down. Swipe. Swipe. Now we'll go across the grain. Very good. Rinse that. Left side. Rinse that. Now against the grain on the neck. Rinse. So it's usually right hand on the left side, left hand on the right side. That's how I do it. If you find a better way, you do what's most comfortable for you. Clean that cleft. Rinse off. Quick rinse on the face. All right, let's hit those cheeks. We'll go against the grain on the cheeks. I'll show you how to do that. Just stretch the skin at the bottom and work your way upward. This gets you baby smooth right here. Rinse it. Other side. Beautiful. Very good. All right, final rinse on the razor. A final cold water rinse. Let's take our Shave Nation wide stick Allen block, remove the cap. Just glide that all over the areas you've shaved. Might get a little bit of stinging if you went too close. It'll give you some good feedback on your shave. This will also seal off any small nicks or weepers if you got any. Feels great going on. Feels like an ice cube with the cold water. Cap that. Set that down. Let that soak into your skin for about 30 seconds, then rinse it off. Pat the face dry. We'll go with this Captain's Choice Eucalyptus right on top of the Parasso Menthol Eucalyptus. A perfect layering right there. It's got a regulator, so just a few drops in the hand. Massage that. Ooh, stings. Tingling, refreshing. Nice finish up to the Parasso shaving cream. This also does come in a shaving cream and a shaving soap. Captain's Choice. Very nice finish to the shave right there. All right, so I went 1.5 to 2 day beard growth, down to baby smooth cheeks, mustache, chin, neck, everything with the Shave Nation straight razor. 5/8 round point carbon steel, easy to sharpen, holds an edge. Great place to start if you're a beginner to straight razor shaving. If you want to pick up any of these other items, just click down below the video where it says show more. You can grab them right there, or go to shavenation.com, enter what you need in the search box, it'll pop right up. Please like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends, shaving and more. Got over 400 videos, closer to 500 now. Working our way up there. I thank you for your support and all your comments and all your good wishes. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave, have a great day.